Today we are going to learn a beautiful and meaningful Hindi poem, Aisa Vardo, means give such a blessings, written by Trilok Singh. This poem is a prayer to God, but it's a very special. The poet is not asking for the toys, cell phone, or money, or fames. Instead, he is asking for a good values like a courage, truthfulness, kindness, and the strength to help others. He wants to become a person who is brave, honest, helpful, and always ready to do the right things for others. He prays for the power to speak truth, face difficulties bravely, and live a life full of love and service to others. This poem teaches that true blessing are not material things like a mobile phone, TV, fridge, car, bike, etc., but the good qualities we have in our hearts. These values help us become better human beings and make the world a brighter place. So let's read the poem together and see what kind of life the poet wants to live. It may be we will also feel inspired to live that ways. So let's start the poem. Welcome, lesson 1, grade 4. Aisa Vardo. Var means moon. आपने कौन से प्रार्थना गीत सुने हैं? What prayer songs have you heard? सुने means listen, hear. What are the prayer songs you listen? अपने बारे में अच्छे बातें बताओ. Tell me about your positive part. हम दूसरों का भला कैसे कर सकते हैं? How can we do good to others? भला means good, goodness. प्रार्थना हमें सही मार्ग से ले जाती है. Prayer leads us on the correct path. सही means correct, मार्ग means path. हमारे भीतर सद्गुणों का विकास करती है. It develops good qualities within us. भीतर, within, inside, inner. सबके मंगल कामना हेतु यह प्रार्थना की गई है. It's provide that everyone's goodness, Mangal Kamnas, Mangal Kamnas, blessings to others. Mangal Kamnas. Kam means work. Kam means work. Kamna means wishes. So Mangal Kamna means well-being. So let's come to the poems. Jagpati Kamko Aisa Vardus. Jagpati means Lord, God. Oh God, you give me such a blessings, such a blessing, boons. Jag ke sare sadgun bardus. Fill us with all the good qualities of the world. Good behaviors, virtue or morality. हम फूलों जैसे मुस्काएंगे. So if we get this such a blessings, then we will smile like a flowers, and then we will set a love to everyone's. We set a love to everyone's. हम बगीत कर खुशी मनाएंगे. We will do the welfare to others and celebrate the happiness. We celebrate our happiness by do the welfare, good things to others. ऐसे भाव हृदय में भर दो. Such things you feel in your heart. हृदय means heart. दीपक बने लड़े हम दम से. You make us the light. Then we will fight against the darkness. Here the darkness means Indians, illiterate. ज्योतिर्मय हो यह जग हमसे ज्योतिर्मय हो. This world is become a brightness by us. If you make us the light, you make us the lamp, and then we will fight against the darkness, and then we make the world by brightness, from the brightness. कभी हम घबराएंगे हमसे. So if you give such a blessings, we will never be depressed or fear against the sadness. घबराएं means depressed, fears, and गम means sadness. धन मन सबल हमारे सबल कर दो. You make us mind and bodies be hot and strong. Sabal, sabal means a heart and strong. Dhan means a body. Body and man means mind. Man means mind. Satya marga par badhte jayenge. We will go towards, we will move towards that truthful path. Truthful path. Satya means truth. Satya means truth. Marga means I already said path. We will move forward in the truthful path. सबको ये सन्मार्ग दिखाएंगे and we will show the moral path to everybody's. Moral path to everybody's. सन्मार्ग means moral path. दिखाएंगे means show. We will show. सब मिलकर जीवन फल पाएंगे ऐसे ज्ञान बुद्धि से हम भर दूं. ऐसे ज्ञान बुद्धि से भर दूं. We'll together get a fruit of success, fruit of life, result of life. Fun means it here, not a fruit. It also have the other meanings. Result. Jeevan fun, result of life. We will get the Jeevan life, result of life together. I say Gyan Buddhi se Bardus. So you give us such knowledge and intelligence. You fill us with such knowledge and intelligence. Tirulok Thakurales. The poems written by Tirulok Thakurales. So now come to the book exercise of this lesson. First read the meanings. Jagpati means Ishwar, God. Sadgun, good behavior, moralities. Sugandh means fragrance. Prem, love. Parkit, welfare of others, those who keep balai. Dam, andhkar, darkness. Jyotirmaya, luminous. Prakasam, brightful. Gam, dukh, shadows. Sanmarga, moral path, right path. Next, Tirulok, Sadgun, just now I will say, good behaviors, muskaye, smile. Prem, love, Hridaya, heart, Jyotirmaya, brightful, marga, path, Sanmarga, good path. Sanmarga, good path, moralities, moral path. Next one, question answer. कभी कौन सा वर मांग रहे हैं? What boon is the poet asking for? Sorry, there is no place, so I am moving to the new page. कभी कौन सा वर मांग रहे हैं? What boon is the poet asking for? मांगना, begging, request, asking for. कभी जग के सारे अच्छे गुणों से भरने का वर मांग रहे हैं. The poet is asking to be filled with all the good qualities of the world. Next questions. खुशी किस प्रकार मनाई जाएगी? मनाना, celebrate. How will happiness be celebrated? खुशी, happiness. खुशी परहित दूसरों की भलाई पर मनाई जाएगी. The happiness will be celebrated for the welfare of others. परहित किस प्रकार is a question words. Instead of किस प्रकार you write either परहित और दूसरों की भलाई पर. दूसरों की भलाई पर. Next question. जग में उजियारा कैसे होगा? How will there be a lightness in the world? उजियारा means brightness. जग में उजियारा अज्ञान के अंधकार से लड़ने से होगा. The world will be a brightness by the fighting the darkness of ignorance. अज्ञान means innocence or ignorance. ये प्रार्थना किसने लिखी गई? Who wrote this prayer? The prayer was written by Tirulok Thakurales. So किसने, instead of किसने, you write The poet names Tilok Singh Takrala name. रिटर्न क्वेश्चन आंसर। फूलों की किन गुण ग्रहण करने के बाद कही गई? What qualities of flowers are said to be adopted? ग्रहण करना adopted। फूलों के मुस्कुराना, सुगंध देना और दूसरों की भलाई करना आदि गुण ग्रहण करने के बाद कही गई है। Flowers are said to adopt the qualities like smiling, giving fragrance, and doing to others. मुस्कुराना, smile, सुगंध देना, fragrance, भलाई करना, do the good things to others, do good others. दीपक और दम किसके प्रतीक है? प्रतीक means symbols. What is a symbol for? It is a symbol for lamp and darkness. Dam means darkness. Deepak means lamp. Deepak Jnana. Deepak is a symbol of knowledge. Symbol of knowledge. Jnana. Knowledge. And the darkness is that Anyan. Unknowledge. Unknowledge. Innocent. Innocent. The symbol of the lamp is knowledge and the darkness is the innocent. So next questions. धन मन सबल होने पर क्या होगा? What happens if we strong mind and bodies? Dhan means mind, you know that already know. Then man means mind. धन मन सबल होने पर हम कभी भी गम से ना घबराएंगे, हमसे घबराए नहीं। If the body and the mind are strong, we will never be afraid of sorrow. Gum, sad, scared by the gum, sad by the sadness, sad by the fearless, scared by the fearless. धन मन सबल होने पर हम कभी भी गम से घबराए नहीं। Be not be brave in the sorrows by the sorrows. जीवन का फल कैसे प्राप्त कर सकते हैं? How can we get the fruit of life? सत्य मार्ग पर सबको सन्मार्ग दिखाने से जीवन का फल प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। We can get the fruit of life by showing the right path to everyone on the path of truth. सत्य मार्ग, path of truth, सन्मार्ग, right path, moral path. Path of moral. फल fruits. So सत्य मार्ग पर सबको सन्मार्ग दिखाने से जीवन का फल प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। प्रार्थना का संदेश लिखो। You write the message of the prayer. Message of the prayer. संदेश means message. Message कभी ईश्वर से कोई भौतिक सुख सुविधा नहीं बल्कि अच्छे गुणों की याचना करते हैं। कभी ईश्वर से कोई भौतिक सुख सुविधा नहीं बल्कि अच्छे गुणों की याचना करता है। याचना करना means beg, here ask for भौतिक material सुख सुविधा, comfort or luxuries. So the poet doesn't ask God for material comforts or luxuries, but instead prays for good qualities and virtues. अच्छे गुणों, virtues. वह ऐसा वक्त चाहता है जिससे उसे साहस, सच्चाई का मार्ग, सेवा भाव और बलिदान की भावना प्राप्त हो। He wishes to be blessed with courage, the ability to follow the path of truth, the spirit of service and the willingness to sacrifice for others. सेवा भाव, spirit of service, सच्चाई का मार्ग, path of truth, बलिदान की भावना, willingness of sacrifice. वह चाहता है कि उसमें कठिनाइयों का सामना करने की शक्ति हो और वह सच्चाई को बिना डरे बोल सके। He desires the strength to face difficulties bravely and to speak the truth without fear. कठिनाइयों, difficulties सामना करना, to face सच्चाई, truth डर, fear. कभी की यह प्रार्थना हमें यह सिखाती है कि जीवन में धन दौलत से ज्यादा जरूरी है अच्छे संस्कार, निडरता और सेवा का भाव। This prayer by the poet teaches that in life, good values, fearlessness, and the desire to serve others are more important than wealth or material comfort. Than daulat, material possessions. Attaining the materials, wealth. So next day, in Bhaktyam के अर्थ लिखो. So write the meaning of these stanzas. दीपक बने लड़ेगा मुक्तम से, जो दिन में हो यज्ञ जग कम से. हम दीप की तरह दुख जैसे अंधकार से लड़ाई करके इस जग को प्रकाशमय बना देंगे. We will fight against the innocent darkness. We fight against the innocence like a lamp. Fight with the darkness. And we make the world brightful. We will make the world brightful. कभी सब पर क्या लुटाना चाहते हैं. What a poet is said to is setting. Set. Would like to set. Everybody's would like to set. Setting. Lutana means setting or putting. What the poet would like to set in to everybody's. He would like to set the fragrance of love. Fragrance of love. कभी कैसे मार्ग पर बढ़ेंगे. What path he would like to, he will, what path the poet will move forwards. He move forward in the path of truth. He move forward in the path of truth. Satya means truth. जगपति हमको ऐसे भर दो जग के सारे डैश भर दो. You fill the gap. Sadguru, good qualities, Avagunu, bad qualities, Tumgunu, also bad qualities. Then means money or wealth. Next है मूल्यवान क्वेश्चंस, वैल्यू एडेड क्वेश्चंस. विद्यालय में और बड़े जनों द्वारा प्रार्थना गीत क्यों गाए जाते हैं. We have the prayer song singing in the school by our elder peoples. There is no place, so I move to that new page. विद्यालय में प्रार्थना इसलिए की जाती है कि यह दिन की अच्छी शुरुआत करती है. Prayers are done in the schools that it do the good beginnings of the days. शुरुआत means begins. और बच्चों के मन में अच्छे संस्कार, एकता और अनुशासन का भाव लाती है. And bring the sense of impress, unity and disciplines. भाव, sense, अनुशासन, disciplines, एकता, unity, संस्कार, impress. बड़े लोग प्रार्थना में मार्गदर्शन करते हैं ताकि बच्चों सभी जीवन मूल्य सीख सकें. The elder peoples lead or guide the prayers so that the children can learn the life values. जीवन मूल्य, life values. मार्गदर्शन, guidance. Next है magic. सुगंध, खुशबू और महक, fragrance. राग, path, mark. सुगंध, fragrance. राग, path, जगह, world, इसे संसार, food, flower, और सुमन और पुष्प, तम, darkness, अंधेरा. So now come to the next one. Varna Mitchell, separate the letters. Sadguru, sa, a letter, a matras, the, it, matras, ga, a matra, so two matra, all mantras. So all letters came. Yep. Re, ye. The ma, mantra. So all letter. Next, सभी नाम शब्द संज्ञा कहलाते हैं. All the naming words are called the nouns. संज्ञा means noun. So here you have to circle. Then means body, tubula, big, खुशी, happy, bow, sense. So these are the noun words, naming words. Ebook, lamp, marker, path, Bagadur, great person. लड़की क्या? So this one for the enriching activities. You will just प्रार्थना को चार्ट पर देखकर बच्चों में लगाऊंगी. So fix this prayers in the chart. You write this prayer in the chart and fix in the classrooms. अपने विद्यालयों प्रार्थना सभा में गाए जाने वाले प्रार्थना गीत को रिकॉर्ड करके YouTube में अपलोड करूँ. You upload them into YouTube. Upload on the YouTube recording your school's prayer songs. Listen this songs. ज्योति से ज्योति चलते चले, जगाते चलो, भारत प्यास, लिंग, film songs. These are what इतनी शक्ति हमने देना दादा. अगला सर films, अंकुश name the films, संत, यानी शो. All these are the film names. From this film names you listen this ज्योति, ज्योति से ज्योत जगाते चलो, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दादा.